That's still going, so that's all good. Right, what are we doing? We're doing the Dragon Rally. Been wanting to do it for a couple of years, but couldn't find anyone stupid enough to do it with me. But yeah, we've got some guys from SBBA that are doing it, so I thought, yeah, I'll give it a go this year. Not going to be doing it on a small bike because I can't get the Friday off work, so I'm going to have to go to work, do a shift, and then burn it up to Shropshire on the NC, which is going to be the perfect tool for the trip, I think, because we can sit on 70-80 all day long on the motorway. It's got decent weather protection, it's comfortable, it's got heated grips, la-di-da-di-da. I've just put power on it, so we've got a 12-volt power supply, so at the moment that's charging my Insta 360 and this sort of this is an old phone that I'm going to use, so I'm bouncing that off my newer phone, hotspotting it. So we're going to test how much well, how much battery that uses up on my new phone, because that won't be plugged in. So yeah, we've got put some bar muffs on, which went on really well. They seem to fit the bike a lot better than the little scooter and the Enfield. They just went straight on really nicely. And I haven't had to put my heated grips on yet, because they're keeping my hands nice and toasty, or nice and warm. And then I've got the heated grips for if they get really cold. But also it's another protective layer against the rain, because we're going to Wales, and I can't stand having wet hands. Hence why on some of the bigger trips last year I did have these muffs on. They're a bit of a pain in the arse, but they do make it a lot more comfortable in the wet. Right, we're still recording, so that's good. So what was happening, it was saying that the SD card wasn't powerful enough to do the recording on the current GoPro settings. I didn't have another SD card, and I wasn't convinced that that was right, because it was the SD card was an Extreme, so I just swapped over a battery for a different battery, and it seems to be holding out. So we'll see. But yeah, the idea of this, well, it's just going to be a short video just to let you know what I'm up to. I'm also wearing an army onesie that someone's kindly donated to me. It's supposed to be waterproof, because I don't really have much decent wet weather gear, so I'm just giving it a go. Unfortunately it's not raining, so I can't fully test it out, but hopefully between now and then I'll have a day of rain and I'll take it out and just make sure that it's doing the job, because it's a long old way to go to Wales wet. So yeah, we're blasting up Friday. We're staying at a YMCA type guest house, bunkhouse they call it, I think, in Shropshire. We'll meet up with Louis, who completed the Jog trip, started off on the Vespa. Hopefully he's on the Vespa. He's been having a few more issues with it. Yeah, so we'll meet up with him on Wanda Chub, and hopefully, and then we'll ride to the checkpoint on the Saturday morning and meet up with I can't rev it, the little kid want me to rev it. It's only a long stroke twin, doesn't really do much, I'm afraid. What was I going to say? Yeah, so heading up, hopefully meet up with the other Sabba guys there at the checkpoint, and then ride to the site. I'm not sure how far onto the site I'm going to get, because I've got road tyres on this bike, so I'm not sure if we're going to get right up to the camp, into the campsite. I don't know whether that's going to be a bit of an ask, but we'll see what it's like. If it's going to be raining all next week, I'll just leave it outside and walk the tent in with the panniers off the bike. So that's what we're up to. We've bought a little Insta 360. It's the 4X Air or X4 Air, I'm not quite sure which one, but just thought it would give us some different perspectives. I'm going to sign off now, chaps. The GoPro's buggering about again. So thanks for watching. If I don't even know if I'll put this out, but I might do. Depends on what I get from the Insta, I suppose. But yeah, we're going to be getting to my mum and dad soon. So, but yeah, we'll catch up next week after the Dragon Rally. See how we get on up there. All right, take it easy. Ride safe.